In this video, we're going to discuss the MIRR, or Modified Internal Rate of Return function, which sometimes is an improvement on the IRR function. So basically, let's assume that we have the following set of four cash flows. We pay out minus 1,000 first period, minus 4,000 the second period, we get 5,000 the third period, we get 2,000 the fourth period. Now, where the MIRR and the IRR may differ is if you can borrow at one rate to finance your payments of 1,000, 4,000 and reinvest what you get at a different rate. So suppose you can borrow at 10% and reinvest at 12%. So if you just do an IRR here, okay, you get 25% here for this investment. There is your formula. Okay, now if you do a modified internal rate of return, and we'll show you basically how Excel gets this answer in a minute. Okay, so you've got your values. Now the finance rate is what you're borrowing at, and then you're reinvesting at this rate. Okay, and so that's 17.9%, which is a big difference. Okay, if I show more decimal points there. Okay, and I could make that a percentage if I wanted to. So basically, where does that 17.9% come from? Well, what the MIRR function does, it finds the present value of the negative cash flows as of the beginning of your time horizon. And then it finds the future value of the positive cash flows as of the end of the horizon. And then you can do an IRR based on those two numbers. Okay, so what's the present value of the negative cash flows? Well, we borrowed at 10%. So basically, you've got to take that 1,000 plus 4,000 divided by 1.1. Put a minus sign in front of those to make these positive. You get 46, 36, 36 is really what you were laying out. Now, what's the future value at the end of the 5,000 and the 2,000? Well, the 5,000 gets multiplied by 1.12 because you could reinvest it, and then you just add on the 2,000. So you have 5,000 times 1.12 plus 2,000, which is 5,600 plus 2,000, which is 7,600. Now, this basically, you're getting the return over 3 periods here, going from this time period to that time period. So you would take 7,600 divided by 4636 and take the cube root and subtract 1 to get the actual rate of return on your investment, and there's your 17.91, and that's where it comes from. So if the borrowing rate and the reinvestment rate are different, you should probably use the MIRR function.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.